Hello. Hello everyone. Welcome. My name is Anna. And I am so happy you are here today. Today, we are going to practice English listening. But wait. Do not worry. This is level 1. Super easy. Super simple. And here is our golden rule for today. Do not translate. When I say apple, do not think of the Thai word. Just see a red, juicy apple in your mind. Picture it. You can do this. I believe in you. Let us smile, relax your shoulders, and let us go. Okay, let us talk about my morning. Every day, my alarm goes off. Ring ring.
Oh no.
It is 6 a.m. I open my eyes. I look at the ceiling. I say, "Good morning, world." Actually, no. I say, 5 more minutes, please. Then, I get out of bed. I walk to the kitchen. I am like a zombie. I need water. I drink a big glass of cold water.
Ah.
Delicious. Next, I make coffee. I love coffee. The smell of coffee is amazing. I put a little milk in my coffee. No sugar. Just milk. Now, I am awake. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water. Splash. Then, I brush my teeth. Up and down, left and right. My teeth are clean and white. Next, I look at my clothes. What should I wear today? A blue shirt? No. A red shirt? No.
Ah.
A yellow t-shirt. Yellow makes me happy. It looks like the sun. Okay, I am dressed. I am ready. I walk to the door, I grab my keys, and I go outside. Stop. Let us take a little break. How are you doing? Are you still with me? If you understood even one word, that is a win. You are doing amazing. Remember, your brain is like a muscle. It is getting stronger right now. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Good. You are awesome. Ready for the next part? Let us go to a coffee shop. Alright, I am walking down the street. The weather is beautiful. The sun is shining, and there are small white clouds in the sky. I see a coffee shop. It is called the Happy Bean. I open the door. Ding dong. Wow, it smells like baked bread and chocolate. I walk to the counter. The barista, the person who makes the coffee, smiles at me. She is very nice. She says, "Hello. What can I get for you today?" I look at the menu. There is hot coffee, iced coffee, tea, and cake. Oh, I love cake. Chocolate cake, strawberry cake. I say, "Hello. I want 1 iced latte, please." The barista asks, small, medium, or large. I am very thirsty, so I say, large, please. She asks, anything else? I look at a chocolate donut. It looks so delicious. It is calling my name. Anna, buy me. So I say, yes, and 1 chocolate donut, please. She tells me the price. That is $6, please. I give her my credit card. Beep. Approved. I sit at a table near the window. I drink my iced latte. Slurp. It is cold and perfect. I eat my donut. Oh my goodness, so sweet and chocolatey. Looking out the window, I see people walking, dogs wagging their tails. It is a wonderful day. Okay, time for a quick game. I will say a sentence. You tell me if it is true, correct, or false, wrong. Ready? Question 1. Anna ordered a hot tea. Is it true or false? The answer is false. I ordered an iced latte. Question 2. Anna bought a chocolate donut. Is it true or false? The answer is true. Yes, I love chocolate. Did you get them right? If yes, great job. If no, that is totally okay. Errors are proof that you are trying. Now, let me tell you about my roommate. Well, he is not a human. He has 4 legs, a long tail, and soft fur. His name is Leo. Leo is my cat. Leo is a very fat orange cat. He looks like a big orange basketball with legs. Every day, when I come home, Leo is waiting at the door. He looks at me and says, meow. That means, human, give me food now. I give him his cat food in a small blue bowl. He eats so fast. Nom nom nom. In 1 minute, the food is gone. After eating, Leo likes to sleep. He sleeps a lot. He sleeps on the sofa. He sleeps on my bed. Sometimes, he even sleeps on my computer keyboard. When I want to work, I see a lot of random letters on my screen because Leo is sleeping on the keys. Oh, Leo. But I love him. When I am sad, Leo sits on my lap. He purrs, purr, purr. He feels like a warm, fluffy blanket. Pets are wonderful, are they not? Wow, look at the time. 30 minutes is finished. Time flies when we are having fun. You listened to English for 30 minutes today. That is incredible. Give yourself a clap. Remember, you do not need to understand every single word. You just need to get the big picture. Today, you pictured a morning routine, a coffee shop, and a cute orange cat. You did it without translating every word. Be proud of yourself today. You are a star. Keep listening, keep smiling, and I will see you next time.
Bye. Bye.